U.S. Marshals assigned to protect Supreme Court justices last summer were told to avoid arresting protesters demonstrating outside several justices' homes. Attorney General Merrick Garland was confronted with documents outlining the Marshals' training not to make arrests after the top Biden official previously said the DOJ didn't prosecute protesters because U.S. Marshals made no arrests. Under a federal statute, it is illegal for protesters to picket outside of a Supreme Court justice's private residence with the intent to influence any decision before them in court. But following the leak of a SCOTUS draft signaling the overturning of Roe v. Wade last May, several justices had protesters outside of their homes. Republican lawmakers have scrutinized the Justice Department for failing to make any arrests. U.S. Marshals were sent to stand guard and protect the justices. But enforcement of the federal statute was limited, according to how Marshals were trained to handle such situations. According to training documents obtained by Republican Senator Katie Britt of Alabama, U.S. Marshals were told to avoid, unless absolutely necessary, criminal enforcement actions involving the protest or protesters, particularly on public space. The Marshals were told arrests and initiating prosecutions is not the goal of the USMS presence at SCOTUS residences. Any arrests of protesters are a last resort. Garland said he was unaware of the guidelines when confronted by Senator Britt at a Senate Judiciary Committee.
Were you at any point before your testimony in front of the Judiciary Committee aware of these training materials or the fact that the Marshals had been heavily discouraged from making arrests under Section 1505?
This is the first time I've seen this slide deck, and frankly, from here, I can't make it out.
It's clear the Marshals were given a different directive, and I would ask you to look into that, please.
I will.
Listen, at Straight Arrow, we don't care if you're liberal, conservative, independent, or something else, because we're here for you, and you deserve not just the facts, but the unbiased truth.